everyone, welcome back to the Career Robotic channel. I hope you are all doing great. Today we're diving into something super exciting, turning your house into a smart home using nothing but a Raspberry Pi. Yeah, that tiny little computer can actually control your lights, sensors, cameras, and even your whole security system. Before we jump in, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our tech tutorials and smart home builds. Alright, let's get started and turn your home into something futuristic. When people hear smart home automation, they usually think of expensive system or fancy gadgets, but it's actually much simpler than that. Smart home automation means your devices can react automatically based on your actions or the environment. Your lights can turn on when you enter a room. Your home can send you alerts when someone opens a door. Your thermostat can adjust itself when you leave the house, and your security cameras can start recording when they detect motion. The whole idea is to make your living space more comfortable, more efficient, and way more fun to live in. And the best part, you get full control over everything. You decide how your home behaves, what triggers, and how the entire system connects together. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the Raspberry Pi. This small, affordable device is honestly one of the most powerful tools you can use for home automation. Instead of buying expensive smart home apps that lock you into one brand, Raspberry Pi gives you complete freedom. You can run Home Assistant, OpenHub, Node-RED, custom Python scripts, whatever you want. It can connect to Wi-Fi, uh, Ethernet, USB devices, smart sensors, relays, lights, and much more. And because it uses so little power, you can leave it running 24/7 without worrying about your electricity bill. You get flexibility, control, and unlimited potential all in one little board that costs less than a smart light bulb. To get started with your Raspberry Pi smart home setup, you really don't need much. Just the Raspberry Pi itself, a good micro SD card, a power adapter, and an internet connection. After that, you can expand whenever you want by adding motion sensors, temperature sensors, magnetic door sensors, smart bulbs, smart plugs, camera modules, relays for switching high power devices, and even voice assistants. The beauty of building a smart home with a PI is that it grows with you. You don't have to buy everything at once. You can start small and upgrade over time. Every new device you add becomes part of your Raspberry Pi ecosystem. And the more you add, the more powerful your smart home becomes. Once you've got your PI ready, the next step is installing Home Assistant, which is honestly the easiest and most powerful way to control your smart home. All you do is download the Home Assistant image, flash it into your micro SD card, put it in the PI, and turn it on. After a few minutes, you can access your Home Assistant dashboard from your browser. And that's where the magic begins. Home Assistant supports thousands of smart devices from different brands, and it pulls them all together into one clean interface. From the dashboard, you can check your sensors, adjust your lights, view your cameras, or create automations that respond to what's happening in your home. It's like giving your house a brain and you're the one programming it. Now this is the part where things get really fun. With Home Assistant running on your Raspberry Pi, you can build automations that make your home feel almost alive. You can create a setup where your hallway Lights switch on automatically when you walk by and turn off when there is no motion. Your doors can send you instant notifications when someone enters, and your camera can snap a picture and email it to you. You can program your home to dim the lights in the evening, lower your blinds, start your music playlist, and set the perfect mood with one single command. You can even integrate your voice assistant so you can say things like, "Hey Google, good night," and have your house lock the doors, turn off the lights, and activate your security mode. With the Raspberry Pi, you're basically the architect of your home's behavior. If you love coding or you want even more control, the Raspberry Pi lets you go beyond the normal smart home tools. You can write your own Python scripts to read temperature sensors, detect motion from PER sensors, activate relays for fans or heaters, or even control LED strips with animations. You can make custom notifications that send messages through Telegram, WhatsApp, or Discord anytime something important happens. You can integrate weather data, sunrise and sunset times, GPS, and even AI features. The best thing is that you can trigger your Python scripts from Home Assistant, giving you a perfect mix of visual automation and custom coding power. Before we wrap the video, here are a few tips to make your smart home experience smooth. Always start small and add devices one step at a time so you don't get overwhelmed. Keep your Raspberry Pi updated, back up your Home Assistant configuration regularly, and make sure your Wi Fi network is stable since most smart devices rely on it. The more you experiment, the more awesome your setup will become. And before long, you will have a fully automated home that you designed completely by yourself. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into smart home automation with Raspberry Pi. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit like button, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our future tutorials, builds and tech projects. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Stay smart, stay creative, and keep building amazing things. Bye.